here at the tire shop. I don't know if this, not sure if this is 66 or 65. This is one that my uncle is looking for, man. This is, I believe, we got 3 lights in the back. Benz tires right here with some slicks on there. Everything reinforced frame and all that, man. But what's up, everyone, and welcome back. We got another video. We're about to be heading out towards the valley to help out the homie. He got stuck with his truck and trailer. He got the lowrider on the back, so we need to go help him out. He got the jack ready. I think he need a tire change. Plus the car is on the back, so we're gonna be heading over there to try to jack that thing up, get the tire shot. Okay guys, so we in the car on our way to North Hollywood. About to help the homie out real quick. After that, we'll be heading back. We got some more stuff to dump on the trailer. Then we still gotta pick up that Camaro. So that's the goal for today after we get this tire changed. Stay tuned, be there shortly. About to be there in a few minutes. We're gonna pull up and get right to it. Okay guys, so we just pulled up. Here's the truck and the trailer. Gonna wait for the homie to come out, then we're gonna get this thing going. As you can see, this thing is all the way flat. I'm gonna start cracking those lug nuts off of there. Things look pretty cool. Went to a little show yesterday. I was gonna try to get over there to get some content, but I wind up not even making it, man. If you go back and check out one of my previous videos with the lowrider, you will see this thing on there hopping, man, on the bumper. Well, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this and get this tire swapped out. Taking this thing run. Not sure if this is 66 or 65. This is one that my uncle is looking for, man. This is, I believe, we got 3 lights in the back. I'm not sure. This might be a 68 fastback. I got a Charger over there. It's definitely one of them Impalas. I don't think it's a 65, but might be a 68 fastback. Trying to get the tire aired up though. We'll be right back to it. Everything's plugged up right now. We're gonna be back. Put it on, hit the road. Got some nice Benz tires right here with some slicks on there, man. Some drag radios on the Benz. sure everything is double checked. Then we be out of here. On to the next. Alright guys, we got it all the way back on, man. Get ready to hit the road. Y'all can see this joint right here, man. Show y'all in the back. Say you about to get rid of it and grab a luxury sport. The other shock over there, the stroke on the other side is bent. As you can see, this one is straight. That one got a nice little curve to it right there. So you have to leave it locked up. It won't go down. Everything reinforced frame and all that, man. Alright guys, you can see right here, this one is bent. It's not standing straight up, so can't even dump it to let it down in the back, so you got to keep it locked up. About to pop the trunk, get a view. Alright guys, as you can see here, you have 2 pumps going to the front and 1 is to control the back. You have a total of 16 batteries in here. It's 8 across the top. You have more up underneath that with 2 in the front. That'll be all for this video. Until next time, thanks for watching. We out. Peace.